Hey, welcome back to the channel. And if you wanted to build a chatbot in a simple 3 to 4 lines of the code, and this is a perfect way to do that. So there is a simple mode REPL, right, which is called as read, eval, print, loop concept. It is similar Java programming language concept. And what it does, it like it's take the user input and it's process the input and it's written the results out of it, and it's to the cycle again and again. So what this cycle is going to do it, right? It has that process, right, is so effective and so uh, basic and simple that all it needs to do is like it has a very simplicity of like understanding that. So now we are using the same concept in our language query, right? So we have our index documents where we wanted to maintain the conversation of the history in a kind of a loop format whenever you are interacting to the um, UI chatbots. It has a history and follow up the questions. So most of the chatbots nowadays, it automatically understand your conversation follow up questions. That's gonna help here. So how it's gonna do it, right? It's a cycle of natural language interaction. So it accept your queries, retrieve the information, and give the response and maintain the history. So let's do a. I created a collab notebook for this, and I'm going to share if you wanted to that. So all you need to do is like pip install LlamaIndex for the OpenAI. So it's a couple of lines of the code. It doesn't require you much, and you have to install LlamaIndex and then pass your OpenAI or Gemini, whichever the key you have, and then ensure the chat engine, simple chat engine, and then if you see like I just done a less than 5 lines of the code, right? I set a temperature one and I put GPT 3.5 Turbo and I ask it like a simple chat engine, hey, hello, how are you? Right? It just says like, hey, I'm a computer program and I'm feeling. I don't have feelings, but I'm ready to help you out. So if I wanted to take this same kind of one, right? So if I again I ask uh, the similar one here. Let me try. Ask to explain ChatGPT. So it's understand my language query and it's try to answer me, right. ChatGPT is like human like test which has been power of like GPT-3 transform based architecture, right. So all you need to do is like it's a very simple kind of a conversation UI if you wanted to build it, right. uh, you can do that. It's pretty effective in terms of the building that architecture. So we can ask like this. So I ask explain a. So it understand that it's state of art deep learning model developed by the OpenAI, and it's processing those tasks in terms of it. I hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe for more interactive AI videos. Thank you.